Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little more relaxed. We're going to be doing the small creator tag. Now this tag I've seen floating around between different YouTubers, but the one who started it was called Smokey Glow. I can leave her channel video down below in the description box. If you want to check out her video, you totally should. So there is 14 questions in this tag video. I was not tagged, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So let's get started. The first question is, how long have you been on YouTube? So I feel like this question for me in particular has like two different answers, or two answers in one. Does that make sense? This channel was originally started by me and my best friend Kelsey. If you go back in time to the videos, we were putting out videos together all the time. As of recently, probably the past couple months now, I've been solely doing videos by myself. And so me and her both started this channel 2 years ago, but I have started doing it by myself in the past couple months. So 2 years to a couple months is the answer to that question. The second question was, what was your first video about? So if you scroll all the way back, our first video was February 2016, BoxyCharm versus Ipsy. I used to do a lot of BoxyCharm versus Ipsy, BoxyCharm versus Glossybox. We were really into the subscription services, and we thought it would be cool to make unboxing videos. As of now, I'm not subscribed to any more subscription services. I've had Birchbox, Ipsy, BoxyCharm. I got Morphe monthly once. So I've been around the subscription services, and we just don't do those anymore. I don't feel like they're very popular anymore. I don't know if that's just me, but I also don't really watch a ton of like unboxing videos anymore either. So that was our first video that we did way back when, and yeah, that's just what we were into at the time. The third question is, what is your dream collab? Now, I don't know if this question exactly means like collab with a brand or another person or YouTuber. Personally, for me, my dream collab would be with Samantha March. So I am always watching her new videos. She does post a ton of videos, so it's easy for me to keep up with her channel, but also I find like her personality resonates with me. I don't know if that's weird to say, but I just find her very personable and very like someone I could talk to in real life, someone that is building their channel the way I would like to, but obviously I'm minuscule compared to her. But yeah, I love her as a YouTuber. I think her personality is great. I love her dedication to posting videos every week, so my dream would be collabing with her one of these days. The fourth question is, what would it mean to you to make it on YouTube? So for me, to make it on YouTube, I just want to feel fulfilled in myself, that I am putting out good content and that it is resonating with others. So whether that be comments or subscribers or what have you, to make it on YouTube to me would be me being able to review a lot of makeup, do a lot of different kind of videos, and I don't want to put a number on it necessarily, like a number of subscribers or anything like that. That's just going to work against me, I feel like. Thinking of my channel as only numbers, which is part of it, but I don't want that to be the main focus. I want it to be something that I am dedicated to, I put my time and effort in, and I receive, you know, that love back to what I actually did, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's like a bad answer, but yeah, that's what it would mean to me, is pretty much feeling fulfilled in my videos, you know? Number 5 is, what is your end goal for YouTube? I don't have an end goal. Like, I want to succeed with my channel. I want to reach others with my channel, but I would say I don't necessarily have an end goal. 6 is, what is the hardest part about YouTube? I want to say editing, but editing really isn't that hard for me. It's just time consuming. Like I can sit down and film a video for, you know, 20 minutes to 40 minutes or however long it takes. But the editing process does take a lot longer. Like the way I edit, at least, I will go through the entire amount of footage and cut it down, and then I'll rewatch it and cut it down more, and then add overlays of pictures or things like that. So I think the whole editing process for me is the hardest part, just because it is so time consuming. Number 7 is, what is the best part of YouTube? My favorite part is kind of like a two-parter. I absolutely love reviewing makeup. I love testing it out, trying it out, and then coming on here and being able to give recommendations or talk about why I love something or why I don't. And I'm trying to get more into doing, like, not, I guess you could call them tutorials, but just getting on here and showing products and working with them on camera. So I feel like the best part of YouTube is being able to play in makeup, which is something I absolutely love. But also the best part of YouTube is when you guys actually leave me comments. And I don't care what kind of comment it is, because I really haven't received much negative comments, but the comments I get, you know, chatting with me is is the same level of happiness as reviewing the makeup. So my viewer engagement and talking to you guys and talking to my subscribers, or even if you're not subscribed to me and you want to leave me a comment, I love talking to you guys. I really do, because I just love talking about makeup and finding people who like to talk about it as well. Number 8 is, what is the funniest comment you've ever gotten? I guess the funniest comment I have ever gotten was, me and Kelsey had done a chit chat mask video, I believe it was, and some guy, person, whoever it was, left a comment and said, "You guys are so ugly." It was supposed to be offending, but it was actually kind of funny, because I don't know, like, it's funny to me that people would take the time to write something mean about something they cared nothing about. I think that's just funny, and I wasn't offended by it. I was just like, okay, that's your opinion. And number 9 is, what is the meanest comment you've ever gotten? So I guess it would be that comment as well. Calling me ugly. Okay. Number 10 is, what other subject matter could you create on YouTube? Now, if you had asked me this maybe a couple years ago, I would say like the booktube community, because I was really reading a lot. Like I was reading a massive amount of books. But now I read less books, less often, so that would kind of be out of the question right now. But if you had asked me a few years ago, that would be my answer. I could also create content on YouTube about my journey, because my journey throughout the years has not been easy, and it's just dealing with a lot of health related things and pretty much getting hit with new things all of the time, and my journey of trying to get past all of that to create awareness of different health things. Although I don't know if people would actually care about that, so it is what it is. Yeah, I just have a lot to say when it comes to me as a person and my, whatever you want to call them, my health issues. That would be something I could also create content with. But yeah, that's not where I am right now. Right now I'm just talking about makeup, reviewing it, and that makes me happy and I like doing it. So that's the content that I want to actually create. Number 11 is, why did you start a YouTube channel? I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for years. Like I've been watching YouTube for a long time, like 10 years or a little less than 10 years. I've always been interested in the beauty community, I guess you could call it, even though at the time I didn't know exactly that it was a thing. Like I started watching like Blair and Elle Fowler and X Barkage. Those are the main ones I started watching, and also Emily Noel. Yeah, I believe those were the main people I started watching. So I finally started a YouTube channel. We finally started a YouTube channel, and I don't know, it's just one of those things that I wanted to do for so long, and I finally got it started. Number 12 is, what video are you embarrassed by? I can't think of a specific video. Probably just my really old videos, like the ones that we started with. I would say those are pretty embarrassing, but I have not taken down or privated any videos ever, so they're all out there to be seen if you would want, but you know, I wouldn't. And they're just really awkward. And if you're a YouTuber, you know, like when you first start a channel and start talking to yourself or to a camera, it's not very easy to do. So yeah, it's just kind of, my embarrassing start is embarrassing to me. 13 is, what video are you most proud of? I think at the moment I'm most proud of my 1 palette 2 looks video, even though it's not very long, which a lot of my videos tend to be kind of long. I don't know, but I just had so much fun creating different looks and actually talking to you guys about what I was doing and why I was doing it, and showing you different looks that you can get out of 1 palette, because I think that's really useful, you know, for everyday makeup users. Like, a lot of people don't have millions of palettes like I do. I'm talking about like the normal everyday person. I think I was just really proud of that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do more videos like that, because it was really exciting to do it. And number 14 is, what is your first YouTube memory? I mean, that's going way back, you know. I guess my first YouTube memory was getting those first few subscribers. That was a good feeling. When you start a YouTube channel, and even if it's very slow moving as this channel has been, it's really exciting when you start to build, I don't want to say fan base, because I don't think of it that way at all. I guess I'll just say the first few people who gave a shit, you know? They gave a shit enough to subscribe, to watch the videos, to engage with us, you know. First YouTube memory was definitely the subscribers. And you know, the best part about that was hitting 100 subscribers, which is tiny. I know that it's tiny, but it was a very exciting time. Gaining those first few subscribers was definitely my first memorable YouTube memory. Okay guys, so that's the end of this tag video. Like I said, the person who started it, I will leave in the description box down below. The lighting's just really bad today, and I was going to like put on makeup while I talked about these questions, but yeah, it's just really dark and stormy out, and I have my overhead light on and I have my ring light, and I just feel like it's not looking the best. So today was a really chill video. I hope that was okay. That wraps up this video. If you haven't already, subscribe down below by clicking the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye.